and I would like to speak about the exploration, the link between physical activity and life satisfaction in the Visegrad countries among university students. And I try not to repeat too much, so you already heard 2-3 times about our project, but this time I would more focus on the life satisfaction and well-being, and I guess in this room every of you is already well know that there is a positive link between physical activity and it has a vital role on life satisfaction, and we need to focus on this, especially in case of university students, because they are in a life, in a transitional life stage when the stress, sedentary behavior and lifestyle changes can increase, and higher levels of physical activity can help them to have a greater life satisfaction, better mood, and reduce the symptoms of anxiety or stress. So, and we investigated this among the Visegrad country university students, and it's in line with the central research questions of the Visegrad project, which I will not repeat now. And you already learned about the main tools of the study, and now we will use the IPAC long version and transform it because we had a special interest, not just on the, how to say, cumulative value of the physical activity, and we will also focus on life satisfaction, and now we just go with the subjective measurements, and later we will publish the actigraph results as well. So, as you already heard, it was a cross-sectional study with a quota sampling, and we targeted 500 university students in each country, and included all students with active student status, native language proficiency, and excluded those who had some conditions affecting the movement and with psychological mental obstacles within these universities, partner universities. So, I just found a similar study. Perhaps for some of you, the name will be familiar. Professor Bácsné Baba Eva, who ran a study on life satisfaction among young adults in Hungary, and used the same tool, IPAC long questionnaire, and they found that leisure time physical activity has a special positive contribution to young adults' well-being. So, as you know, in the long IPAC there are there is a structure of the questionnaire, so we can measure the work-related physical activity, transport-related, household and gardening-related, and leisure time physical activity, plus the sitting time. So, because they found this special relationship with the leisure time physical activity, we also decided to evaluate of the fulfillment of the WHO recommendation based on doing at least 150 minutes per week moderate intensity physical activity, with summarizing the MVPA based on the leisure time only, because it's positive and a special effect. And for measuring the life satisfaction, we used a quite similar tool, this ladder, with a 10-point Likert scale, where 10 was the best possible life satisfaction. And now I just wish to show you some descriptives. We will come with the inferential statistics later. So, in this case, you can see here that we almost reached the targeted 500 sample size in each countries, and finally we had the luck to have altogether 800 university students in the Hungarian sample. So Ferdinand used some, he closed a little bit earlier the data set actually, I mean, according to the gender distribution, you can see here that we had around 30% of male participants, and it's not just due to the response rate of the students, but also the predominance of the female students at the field where we had the partner universities and also the University of Pécs. Here you can see that by all of the universities, respondents fulfilled the WHO recommendation with 30 to 40%, and where we found the lowest compliance rate in case of Slovakian university students at 30.1%, and the highest at Hungarian university students at 40.7%. So, and the reason could be, on the difference between Dr. Salona's results and ours, that his results also contain all the domains of the IPEC, so work also, which is a question in regard to this special population, but they consider as they work university students. So we just focused on the leisure time physical activity, and I guess we cannot say that the cause of this difference could be only the country or the citizenship of the students. So we will look for some more confounding factors because we already aware that these universities, for example, has a different training portfolio and also a difference with physical education classes and sports options in the curriculum. So, and about life satisfaction by countries, you can see here that we had almost similar results within the countries and also within the genders. There was a small difference in case of Slovakia and Poland between the genders. I guess it is more interesting that we had around 6.6 points as a mean life satisfaction in almost all of the countries, which we can consider a little bit low in case of university students. So around 6 life satisfaction, I guess it's a little bit low, so we need to find out what could be the reason for this low life satisfaction for them. And here you can see a small comparison based on the life satisfaction scores by meeting the recommendation in the Visegrad countries. So, and you can see on figure 4 that altogether, or in mean, 37.60% meets the recommendation of the students, and we can see here, that there was a huge difference between those ones in life satisfaction who meet and who doesn't meet the WHO recommendation on at least 150 minutes per week physical activity. And just to briefly discuss these very preliminary findings, I just would like to highlight that the amount of physical activity and to meet the guideline is just, it's really good, but we used to further consider the type of the physical activity also, because in our previous study we find that not only the fulfillment of the guideline is important, but the type of the physical activity what we are doing, with a special importance on outdoor physical activity, which caused 21.4% more likelihood to be very satisfied with our life compared to non-outdoor physical activity, and around 30% more likelihood compared to the inactive group. So I would like to highlight again the importance of the promotion of green exercise within this population also. So thank you so much for your kind attention. So I guess we still have some time. If you have questions to every of the presenters, you can ask now. Do you have any questions? Yeah, please start. To who?
He will be.
Yeah, okay, please. Professor.
Thank you. I'm from the Hungarian University of Sports Science,
Yes.
and I would like to ask a question related to the previous presentation. Yes, the screen time.
Yeah.
How was it measured? Was it a self-report, or did they use any device? So it's more objective measures, and it would lead to another question: if the sleep quality was good quality, possibly they spent less time in front of the screen, or how is it related to the WHO recommendation? What is a normal screen time or excessive screen time, and how it's related to the sleep quality? And the original question was, how was it measured, the sleep quality?
Yes. Vera, are you still with